If you are wondering who is shopping in this lockdown season, you'll be surprised. Tata is doing it big time. I'll tell you why and how. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a good day today. Markets were in green. Sensex went up by 358.83 points and the same closed at 52,300.47. Nifty went up by 102.4 and the same closed at 15,737.75. The upward movement mainly was led by Realty as well as the PSU bank stocks. The news for the day: Tata Digital buys majority stake in pharma company 1mg. Before this, just 1 week back, they bought controlling stake in CureFet. Before that, they had bought Big Basket. So every week they are buying one company, which is a good thing. 1mg had reported 369.3 crores revenue last year, that is for the financial year, out of which 317 crores was the loss. So this company seems to be a good buy, and their entry in the pharma sector is been very welcome move. Apart from this, BharatPe acquires loyalty platform Payback, which was a joint venture between American Express as well as ICICI. American Express had 90% and ICICI had 10%. The deal is expected to be almost $30 million. So it's a good exit for both of these companies. Adani Group reportedly has been planning to come out with 2 new IPOs. If this happens, they will add 2. Already there are 6 companies, so addition of 2, it will become 8 companies. With this, Mr. Gautam Adani will become the richest man in India, overtaking Mr. Ambani. So this will certainly happen this year sometime. So let's wait and see. Apart from this, automobile retail sales crashes by 55% in the month of May, but strong demand recovery is what we foresee because of the good rainfall as well as the unlock which is happening phase by phase across India. So anybody interested to invest in automobile companies, you can look at companies like Hero, you can look at companies like Bajaj, you can look at companies like TVS, Maruti, Mahindra, and so on and so forth. At the same time, Reliance partly paid shares got listed today, rather said relisted today, and it touched high of almost 3% intraday. Reliance had recently issued rights issue, wherein each share was issued at 1,257, of which 314.25 is what people had paid as first installment, and over months they will correct the remaining amount. But it's a good thing that partly paid shares went up by 3%. Apart from this, the gainer for the day was Bajaj Finance, which went up by 7.26% and the same closed at 6,086 rupees 40 paise. The top loser for the day was ITC, which went down by 1.51% and the same closed at 209.30. Gold has been going down. Today gold has gone down by 209 rupees for every 10 grams and the same is right now trading at 48,915. Silver has gone down by 365 and the same is right now trading at 71,519 rupees. USD has gone up by 12 paise and the same is right now at 73 rupees 71 paise. Euro has gone down by 6 paise and the same is right now trading at 89 rupees 6 paise. Petrol and diesel luckily has gone down today. Petrol has gone down by 9 paise, diesel has gone down by 8 paise, and crude in international market also has gone up. Right now, crude is trading at 5,116 rupees and the same is up by 26 rupees. With this, we come to end of today's market wrap-up. The technical charts show a bit of strength, but however, it is mixed reaction. So I would recommend you to look at the market more cautiously. At the same time, you can start buying automobile sector as well as FMCG goods companies so that you don't have to miss out on the continued bull run. If market do not go down and continue to work, you have good reason to cheer for. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so that more people can get to learn and they can earn. Tomorrow morning is our live market session. Do find the link for the same in the description below and be there. Thank you. Have a great day.